Eliza Acton wrote the first cookbook that included the amounts of ingredients that you needed and cooking times and useful things like that. It was the forerunner for all modern cookbooks, and salad cream is one of those recipes, and that's what we're going to do today. See if it works, see what it tastes like, see if it's as good as this. So what we're going to need for this, apart from the hard-boiled eggs, is a touch of cayenne, some white wine vinegar, or tarragon vinegar if you've got it, that'd be even better. Some double cream, heavy cream for the United States, some salt, some caster sugar, and the eggs. That's it. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, first of all, let's get these eggs in. These are just hard-boiled eggs, and we're going to put them in here, and we're going to beat them mercilessly to death with the back of a spoon, so I'll get all that crushed up. Ooh, slightly rubbery those, as opposed to fully hard cooked, but hopefully we'll get away with it. Okay, what we'll put in, let's put half a teaspoon of caster sugar in there, and I'll have a good pinch of salt in that. Oops. Sprinkling of cayenne pepper, just a touch. Try and give that a mix. That's a bit dry, so what we'll need I'll add a squidge of English mustard. Come on. Oh. Okay. Teaspoon of English mustard. And we'll have a teaspoon of water. This'll aid it. There we go. Right, the thing to do now is to try and beat this all up. Using the back of a spoon, I'll get it mixed. Once you've actually got this all into a paste, we can use a whisk. Rightio, that's about enough. It'll do for me. I'm going to swap this for a whisk now. Oh, okay, one of these types of whisks. And we'll start to add a little bit of the cream, just a bit at a time, as though you're making a roux or something. There you go. Smells nice, to be honest. Now, just need to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Do them one at a time. Oops. As usual. Now it's beginning to smell like salad cream, actually. There you go. Maybe a bit too much vinegar in that, to be honest, but salad cream now is vinegary anyway, so it's fine. Probably. Right, let's give it a taste test. I'm not doing a full English salad, but I have got a piece of cos lettuce, so it's more drippy than salad cream, but as you can see, that's okay. Right, here we go then. Let's have a go. tastes okay, to be honest. It tastes nice, it's different. It's a bit more, it's smooth, it's difficult to say, it's a bit smoother. It tastes smoother. It's not as vinegary, although I quite like the version. It goes really nice on salad, to be honest, randomly. But it's good. It's good. But we need to give it a proper taste test against salad cream. So before you go away, let's do a real taste test with an absolute pinnacle of British gastronomy. Gastronomy. Let's make it. What I am, of course, talking about is crisp sandwich. Yay! There's never been a finer thing invented. I've got dinky little bread because I'm on a diet and I know I'm going to end up eating all of these. I've got some crisps. Lovely jubbly. Get these on. So what we'll do, let's do the bottom slice first. That's that one. And we'll have the salad cream on the other one. Ooh. That's a bit thinner than I thought as well. Well, good. This is high class cooking, this, I'll tell you. Right. Oh, the arrangement is very important on a crisp sandwich. You need to have it just right. You have to have it well balanced. And even. Okay. Now let's get it over. And the salad cream on the left. Oh, delicious, delicious. And now the important thing. Place the top on, and then you have the crunch. Lovely. And then the cut. Okay, I don't know which one to try first. I'm going to try the one we've just made, the English sauce. Right, let's have a go at this. Just coming in there. Very nice. And the next one, Heinz salad cream. My verdict is that this sauce is really, really nice. It's nice, it's lovely, it's creamy, it's velvety almost. It's very nice, got a really lovely flavour, kind of like buttery even though there's no butter in it or oil. It'd go really well with salad. Eggs, over the top of eggs when you're making, or deviled eggs or anything like that. This would be fantastic. For a crisp sandwich, you can't beat that. Sorry, it's the vinegar and everything. It's just moreish. Anyway, enjoy. Cheers.